Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Blum's exciting TGE listing. What's coming in Q1 2025? Blum is gearing up for an exhilarating new chapter in its journey. Get ready for the token generation event, TGE, and the much-anticipated listing, both set for Q1 2025. With February quickly approaching, the buzz in the community is reaching a fever pitch. So, what's all the excitement about? Let's dive into what Blum has in store. What's brewing at Blum? Blum's vision for 2025 is bold and clear: innovate, grow, and simplify the blockchain experience. With the release of its Season 2 roadmap, Blum is poised to make major strides in the blockchain world, and the trading landscape is about to get a serious makeover. But what's next for Blum? As the community eagerly speculates about the TGE listing date, there's growing curiosity. Will Blum evolve into a fully decentralized exchange, DX, when it launches in Q1 2025? Let's take a look at the standout features you can expect with this exciting expansion. What's coming next? Blum Trading Bot and Multi-Chain Expansion. Get ready for a whole new level of convenience with Blum's Trading Bot. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, trading across multiple blockchains will soon be easier than ever. The bot promises to make trading a breeze. Web Trading Terminal. Blum is unveiling a sleek, user-friendly interface that's designed for flexibility. With support for TON and a customizable trading experience, you'll have everything you need to take control of your trades. Perpetual Futures. Advanced traders, this one's for you. Blum's new Perpetual Futures feature will offer even more tools and opportunities for sophisticated trading strategies. Educational support. Blum is all about making trading accessible to everyone. With easy-to-follow guides and learning resources, they're ensuring you understand the ins and outs of the market, whether you're new to trading or an experienced player. The TGE Countdown. The community is buzzing. While Blum has kept details about the TGE listing date under wraps, the excitement is palpable. As we near the end of Q1 2025, the community is eagerly awaiting the official announcement. With each passing day, anticipation grows, and many are eagerly asking, when will the TGE happen? The energy surrounding this event is undeniable. Blum's strong and supportive community is ready for the next big step. One enthusiastic user posted, "Our community is huge and waiting for the TGE. Let's give them something amazing as a reward." The pressure is on, but the support is overwhelming, and fans are eager to see Blum deliver. A bright future for Blum. With all these new features and advancements, Blum is positioning itself for a thrilling future. The seamless integration of cutting-edge technology and the community's growing excitement around the TGE is fueling the momentum. There's no doubt about it, Blum is about to make a major splash in the blockchain world.